Welcome to Prince Math Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time. Welcome once again. It's still day 10 of the 11 days math challenge, and I want to show you how to solve the Neco 2023 theory number 10 using a separate method. In the first method, we were able to use the Frustum formula. But in this method, I'll be using the general Frustum formula to solve this particular problem. And I'll be using that formula in two different ways to solve this particular question. Just relax, enjoy the step all the way, and we'll arrive at the same result. Now get your calculators ready and let's begin to solve this particular question. The question remains the same, that a bucket full of water is 40 centimeters in diameter in the open end, 24 centimeters in diameter at the bottom end, and 32 centimeters deep. The bucket is then emptied completely into a cylindrical drum of 56 centimeters in diameter. Find the level of water in the drum to the nearest whole number. So let's go into the solution. What are the things we were given? We were given that the diameter is what? 40 centimeters to the open end. This is the open end. Then we were also given the diameter of the other end, which is the closed end, that is this part. And we're given the depth of the bucket, and the depth happens to be the height of the bucket. Good. So from the formula that we know that diameter is twice the radius, using that particular formula, to get the big radius, we'll divide the diameter by 2, and that's, since the diameter is 40, dividing 40 by 2, you will get 20 centimeters. Similarly, the small diameter can be resolved to get the radius, and the radius is the diameter divided by 2, and if you divide 24 by 2, you get 12 centimeters. Now let us look at other ways to solve this question other than the first method that was given to us in the first method I used. We can apply this particular formula, that the volume of Frustum is pi h all over 3, then open bracket, arrow squared plus big arrow multiplied by small arrow plus small arrow squared. Now we know our big arrow, we know our small arrow, we know pi to be 22 over 7, and we know h to be 32 centimeters. So let's proceed. Pi is 22 over 7, then multiply by the height. The height in this instance is 32. Then we have everything over 3. This is 32 over 1. Then multiplied by arrow squared, is big arrow is 20, so we have it as 20 squared plus 20 multiplied by the small arrow, which is 12, then plus 12 squared. Let's close the bracket. Resolving this part, it will give us 22 over 7 multiplied by 32 all over 3. 220 is 400. If you square 20, you get 400. If you multiply 20 times 12, you get 240. And if you square 12, you get 144. Good. So multiplying 22 by 32, you will get 704. Then multiplying 7 times 3, you get 21. Then if you add up all that you have in this bracket, 400 plus 240 plus 144, you arrive at 784. First of all, let's divide 704 by 21. If you do that, you arrive at 33.5238. Then multiply that by 784. Multiplying that, you will arrive at 26282.66 centimeters cube. And looking at the former result we obtained, this was the same result we obtained. We obtained 26282.6667. So you can see we are in line. We are obtaining the same result. Good. Now let me just introduce you to the other formula you can use to obtain the same result. Now that formula is the volume of the frustum is what using h over 3, then say A1 plus A2 plus square root of A1 times A2, close the bracket. Now you are wondering what is A1, what is A2, and to do that, let me draw this particular diagram. Now if this is the frustum, remember the frustum is like this. This first, the open end here is the first area, then this is the second area, and since it's a circle, the area is pi r squared, right? Pi r squared. You can use the capital R here, right? Good. Using this method and also knowing the height, which is the depth of the bucket, you can use it to obtain the same result we just obtained, right? Then of course, when we solved it the first time, we found the height of the cylinder by equating the volume of the frustum to the volume of the cylinder. Now since we know that the volume of the frustum is 26282.66 equated to pi r square h, where you know the radius of the of the cylinder, right? And substituting all the old value, you are going to get an approximate value of the height to be 11 centimeter. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and do well to share this particular video with your friends and loved ones. Till we meet again, bye for now.